we would like to welcome Sir Ankush sir, and I would request Ankush sir to please proceed.
Thank you, madam. Okay, good afternoon to all of you. I am Ankush Durgi from Belgaum city only, but my native is in Athni Taluka, Sinal. It's a small village on the bank of River Krishna. So I lectured 25 to 30 years in Dharwad, Belgaum and Athni and Sangli. Sangli is in Maharashtra. So along with my lecturing, still I am studying. I covered more than 10 degrees and now finishing one PhD and planning to start another. And my two daughters, Amruta and Nikita, both are becoming within 2 months scientists. Both are the super rankers of the Karnataka state today. And my eldest daughter is the topper of the world now. She is going to Taiwan University for the research project. She is the one of the super topper of the world. So they studied through villages and cities and again in Bangalore and now going to for the research in foreign or in India. Okay. Anyhow, my lakhs together students across the Karnataka and Maharashtra are the super rankers. But you are also super, no doubts. Your school is working very nicely. I am observing last nearly 15 years. Okay, your result is very nice. I am not visited your school only once, very long back I visited. Your result is very nice, no doubts. But I am staying in the apartment that Mutalik sir stays there only. Okay, now I am giving you some ideas about the Vedic maths. Vedic maths, if you follow the Vedic maths, your brain will become super activated. We all, our family members got the super rankers because of Vedic maths. And many more techniques I created. So how to understand lessons, how to remember them for the longer period, and many things are there. But in a single session, I can't give all the ideas here, but you will not miss those all. You are getting all the ideas, all the lectures in my YouTube channel, that is Ankush Durgi. There is Ankush Durgi YouTube channel. It's a free of cost. In 4 languages. It's working in 4 languages: Kannada, Marathi, Hindi and English. Then again, recently I started another YouTube channel, that is Ankush Durgi Marathi Medium. And Facebook, Instagram, all are called Ankush Durgi. Okay, today, yours also videos coming by today night or tomorrow night. That's mostly 3-4 videos are coming of your school now, this session. So better to follow my YouTube channel, subscribe it and share to all your friends, relatives, all the things. Okay, let us have a look here how these Vedic techniques help us. Okay, within 2 minutes, you will say that we can cover or we can create tables up to 100. Just within 2 minutes you will say that. And you will say another sentence that we will not forget this forever. And again you will say that this needs no practice. See that many things are there. Students are very that worried about the beheading and forgetting things. But Vedic gives us totally that very nice perfect study. Okay, come on here. Here 52. How to create table for 52? There is a Vedic technique. Please look at this first. Okay, are you ready? Yes. Do one thing. Whenever I say start, then set your time. Whenever I say stop, please check your time. Within 2 minutes, you will say that we can create tables up to 100. Okay? Is it clear? Okay, let us start. Come on. Sir, please take it near. So, sorry. Yes, okay. Yes, come on. 52. There is procedure, Vedic. First we have to take here separately both the tables and here jointly. Is it clear? Okay. Now, please set your time. Start. Set your time. Yes, come on. 52. First write on the table for 5, again for the 2. Is it clear? Now we have to mix up these two by the help of Vedic technique and create here table of 52 jointly. Please give the chair.
No, it's okay, sir.
Yes, come on. Here 52. There is a Vedic technique. If you have two digits, then take a last one line of digits here. 2 digits, second table, last one line. Okay, here it should be taken directly. That is 2, 4, 6, 8, 0. Again the same. 2, 4, 6, 8, 0. Is it clear? Next, the front line digits of the second table should be added in the first table. That is 5. There is no digit to add. Take 5 as it is. Then 10 as it is, 15 as it is, 20 as it is. But here we are getting digits from the second table. That is 25 plus 1, 26, 31, 36, 41, 46 and 50 plus 2, 52. Now we have the table of 52. Is it clear? In the same way, can you create table for 53? Wow, super. 64? 75? 86? 99? Okay, now you can create tables up to 100. Is it clear? Okay, this is the power of Vedic maths. So, please check your time. Sir, मध्ये students support.
हाँ
मध्ये students support.
हाँ तो
So, consider in the program. How much is it time? How many minutes? 2 minutes. Please invest once 2 minutes in your life. You will cover tables up to 100. Is it clear? Now, give me just 1 minute time. You will say we can create tables up to 1000. Yes, in 1 minute. Yes, come on. Come on. Here. Now I want to create table for 952. 952. Already we have table of 52. Is it clear? Now what should I do? Table of 9. Just 1 minute. Here, when we are having 2 digits, I have taken here 1 line. Now we are having here 3 digits. Means 2 digits, 1 line. 3 digits, 2 lines should be taken there. Wow, smart students, very nice. 3 digits, 2 lines should be taken there. And the front line should be added in the table of 9. Then we will get the table of 952. Wow, super. 952. It means we are very, very near to 1000. Now you can create tables up to 1000. If there comes another 9, can you create? Yes, sir. Wow, super. Now you can create unlimited tables. Okay. Now, but remember one thing. Please do not practice these all things. Only keep this idea in your mind. Not to practice such big tables. Only idea. That idea gives your maths easier. Come on. How this can be related with our maths? Let us see that in your syllabus now. We are giving here the ideas in syllabus. Come on. Yes, come on here. Okay. Say 74 into into 7. 74 into 7. Sir, zoom ಮಾಡ್ಸು,
ಮಾಡೇನು
zoom
ಮಾಡಿ
ಮಾಡ್ಸು.
ಮಾಡೇನು ಮಾಡಿ
Okay, 74 into 7. 7 for the 28. 7 7 the 49. Is it clear? Look at this. This is the table of 4 and 7, and this is the table of 7 and 7. Means 52 like that. Okay? Come on. Here are two digits. Then split the second one. From second, one should be taken for the answer. That is 8. And front line should be added in the first table. How much? 51. Okay, this is the answer. Understood? What we should do here? 7 for the 28. 7 7 the 49. We have two digits. Take one at the end for the answer. Then and addition of these two, 51. Okay. Now you can do the multiplication of the word. Any multiplication of the word. 1 minute. Look at this. If two digits, one should be taken there and front should be added here. Always single front. Okay? If here are 3, 2 should be taken there and 1 is added. Always 1. If here are 4, 3, 1. 5, 4, 1. 101. 101. 1007. Yes, 1007 digits should be taken there and only 1 is added in the first. Is it clear? Now you can do the multiplication of the words number. Okay. I am giving one problem to you. Who want to answer in this series? Yes, come on. Good. Wow. Very nice. This is the idea that courage is key of success. Wow, super. Yes, please. Yes. 1 minute. Do you want to answer orally? Yeah, reader. Okay, anyhow. Okay, 1 minute. Question is that 44 into 4. 176. Is it right? Wow, super answer. Your name and class and school and area.
बोलो
Myself Nidhi Bansal from class 8 Bal Gangadhar Tilak, KLS Public School, Piranwadi,
Wow,
Belgaum.
Yes, very good. Thank you. Please. Okay. Last question in this series. Yes, come on, please. Come, please. Yes, come on. Yes, come on. Wow, so nice. From which class are you?
Fifth.
Wow, super. So confident. Wow. Question is that, please don't answer. He is here, this guy. He is here. Please let him answer. Okay? Come on. Yes. 99 into 9. Wow, super! 891. Wow!
My name is Naman Karthik.
experiment. Please. Yes, let us jump to another technique. Different technique. Let us jump to different technique. Come on here. Say. One minute. Say addition. Addition. 1 plus 2 plus dash 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 up to 10. If the series like this, arithmetic progression AP, there are many different techniques. Okay, this is if the series is 1 to 10, 1 to 100, 1 to 1000 and so on, like this, then there is one technique. For different numbers, means odd numbers, there is another technique. For even numbers, there is another technique. For any point addition, that is different technique. Yes, only one I am giving here. Come on. So the numbers like this series 1 plus 2 plus dash dash plus 10 up to 10. Then there is a weighted technique. They say that take the last half, its half. That's 5, and repeat it. 5. Okay, this is answer. 55. Come on. Repeat it. If it is 100. If it is 100. 50. 100 is 50. Answer. Okay. 50. Okay. I am giving question to you. In this series, who want to answer? Yes, come here. Yes. Okay. Half of the last one. If it is 100, 50. Okay. 1 minute. If it is up to 1000. Oh, super. Answer is 500 means sum of 1 to 1000 number is 500. Is it clear? Wow, super. Good answer.
My name is Sarwan Kumar. I am studying in class 5th P. Subhash Chandra Bose. I stay in Piranwadi, Tambo Gully, KLS Public School.
Thank you. Please. I am giving you. Okay, same system. Okay, come on. Sum of 1 to 1 lakh numbers. Yeah. Like that you can say.
50,000.
Like this only you have to say. Bigger number.
50,000.
It's okay. Little bit confusion was there. No problem. Answer is 15,000. Is it over? Okay. Let us get to another technique. Come on. Say odd number series. Odd number. Say 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9. Sum of odd numbers. Let me add this normal method, everyday method. 1 plus 3 plus 5. 46, 49, and this is 64. 64. Is it clear? Yes, come on. But in the Vedic says, how many numbers you have added? Make it a square. How many numbers are there? 8. 8 square. Okay, that's answer. 8 are there. 8 are there. 6 people. Finish.